What's up, people? What going? Today, me just now do nothing funny. Me now make no joke. But just want to come straight forward. Cause me see a whole heap of things on social media how people express how them feel about Jamaican thing. But me come to the realization after me see everything and read everything that I definitely was raised with a golden spoon in my mouth, man. It spoil. And me have to learn to appreciate it because me I talk about struggle, but we never struggle, star. All I'm doing is comparing back then with now, and things and times different. You know what I mean? So my mother, she raised me, star, and from me little, my mother always at work to make sure say me have everything me need. Not what me want, everything me need. And then when my brother them born, she do the same thing. And it's like me grow up I do the same thing for my youth them cause me no want my youth them have a lack for nothing at all. But what me I try get to is we definitely did spoil. And me that talk to somebody, a brief conversation with somebody on TikTok named Purple Rain, I'm really realize say boy, we definitely born with a golden spoon in our mouth because up to this day we never have to go a market for nothing. I personally don't know what Coronation Market look like because we never have to go there. Because my grandmother and grandfather, them have a nice house above there. And then them have everything in the yard. Between them and my uncle Glenn across the street, them have everything. Pig, cow, goat, fowl. We have all kind of fruit around the yard. We have sweet sap, sour sap. We have lime, we have panganut, we have June plum, we have ackee tree, we have everything. All ground provision are growing in the backyard. So me definitely have to appreciate it because the way them raise me, them shelter me from a whole heap of things. And from me I talk to the purple rain lady to them, I just realize say, boy, them things that them do for we for make sure say we grow up good. And then me turn around and do the same thing for my youth them because obviously we are a product of the environment and the environment we're growing in. So we definitely have to be appreciative, man. I have to say, yo, all the people who grew up in a different situation and who really, really struggle, the sooner we know. Seeing, I may have to learn to appreciate that because the things my mother do for me, sir, or my grandfather them do for me, is something where a lot of people never have the privilege of having. You know what I mean? We never have to leave the house because grandma and grandpa they have a store. And anytime my mother cook and she wants something, she say, boy, go in the shop and you want pound of sugar, get pound of sugar. Grandma give it. You want flour to make dumpling, you go get flour. You want meat there in there. You understand? So for the people who grew up, hear about it is. Seeing when we got a standpipe, me never have to go standpipe to catch water, I go a standpipe to go hang out with people. I when me I go a beach, me walk past standpipe. I go a standpipe to use phone. And people have to walk far with bucket in the man to go catch water and carry home. And we never have to worry about that. Seeing my auntie live 3 miles away. And when me go visit her, her house compared to where my grandmother and me used to live, a complete night and day. Me I complain say, oh, we only have one TV. But that is then. You know what I mean? My grandma auntie house them now have nothing. Me never one time have to live in a board house. We never one time have to worry about clothes or shoes or food or nothing. And me I realize now say there's a whole heap of people out there will never even have that luxury, never have the chance for grow up in that environment where me grew up in. Them really struggle. And you know something, me so know. I may definitely recognize it. And for all the work my mother do for me and my brother is like say she shelter me from that. I'm really, really appreciate it. So me here uno, me so uno, me respect uno. Seeing one love people.